Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying to make slime with mini balloons. The challenge is that I didn't write anything on the balloons, so I'm not sure what's in there. One is with water, two with glue, and one is the activator. By the way it sounds, I think that the blue one is the one with water. I will start with the yellow one. I hope this is glue. Okay, this was glue. Now water. Now, which one is the glue, which one is the activator? What do you think? Comment below. Which one would you choose next? Okay, let's try this one and hope that it is glue. Yay, we have glue. Now the last one, the activator.